Hi, welcome to the Australian School of Language. My name is Mervyn, and today we'll be talking about the methodology we follow to help our students get their desired score, which is 8777. So I'll be talking about the 4 parameters of the IELTS test: reading, writing, listening and speaking. We'll start with the reading, the methodology that we follow. We focus on comprehension, and an intricate part of comprehension is reading between the lines. You should be able to decipher the intended meaning of any text. जो लिखा है वो सामने है, जो नहीं लिखा है उसको interpret करने की हम कोशिश करते हैं. And you could do that easily if you have good grasp on grammar, your vocabulary is in place, you have attention to detail, and you're also able to focus on keywords. Another thing is we try to scan for keywords. This is very important. So अगर question में लिखा है कि local artists will play music tonight. Now I would try to see which words actually are in sync with or are similar to these words which are already underlined in the question. So if you look at the answer, local artists would go in sync with musicians here, and local would go in sync with Kent here, because here they have given the name of a place which is Kent in England, and they have said that local artists will perform. So that means the local artists, where will they come from? They will come from this place called Kent. So this is how we would scan for keywords and underline and encircle important words in a sentence. We will also try to focus on vocabulary, which is a very important part of reading. Because if you don't know the meaning, the synonyms of many words, then to gauge the answer, whether it's true, false or not given, that would be a little problematic. So in your question, you may get a word like happy. If you go and look at the extract, you will have a word like ecstatic. Now, if you don't know the meaning of the word ecstatic, then you wouldn't be able to answer the question whether it's true, false or not given. Similarly, if the question has the word incompetent and the extract has the word inept, and if you don't know the meaning of the word inept, then you would not be able to answer the question. So once we focus on vocab and improve our vocabulary bank, which is Shabdkosh in Hindi, it's very easy to answer a question, because then you would be able to find the intended meaning. Okay, let's talk about what we focus on in listening. Now let me ask you this question: when you watch an English film, what percentage of it do you not understand? 20%, 30%, whatever it is. That happens because we're not familiar with the accent. So what we'll do, same in the IELTS format, we will try to listen to different accents: American, British, Canadian, South African, New Zealand accent. We'll try to get ourselves familiar with different accents and different pronunciation, and that will help us get familiar, and then we wouldn't be able to miss out the things that we do miss out on. We will also focus on memory training exercises, because it's very important. It becomes a little difficult in IELTS to listen to everything and understand and retain that information. So we'll try to focus on some memory exercises that will help improve our grasping power. And we'll also focus on highlighting keywords while listening, and also look at stressed word. Now, if you look at the IELTS listening format, most of the answers would be there, would be the stressed words would be the answer for you. So if you're able to gauge the intonation pattern of the speaker, then you'll be able to gauge the answer and highlight keywords and stressed words, because there the answer would lie. So you'll have to improve your skills in gauging the intonation pattern of the speaker.